First Best Feature Film, Kalki 2898, that is 2898 AD. And second Best Feature Film, Potel. Third Best Feature Film, Lucky Bhaskar. Feature film on national integration, communal harmony and social uplift. Film, Committee Kurol. Goes to Committee Kurol. Best Children's Film, 35, Chinna Kadakadu. Feature film on environment, heritage, history goes to Razakar. Best debut film director, Sri Yadu Vamshi for Yedu Vamshi for Committee Kurol. Best wholesome entertainment film, Dr. M. Prabhakar Reddy, Uttama Prajadarana Chitram, I, my friend Sandy. I, my friend Sandy. Individual awards for artists and technicians. Best director, Sri Naga Ashwin Singireddy for Kalki. Best leading actor, Sri Allu Arjun Pushpa 2. Best leading actress, Niveda Thomas for 35 Chinna Kadakadu. Best supporting actor, Sri S.J. Surya Saripoda Senivaram. Best supporting actress, Ms. Saranya Pradeep, Ambajipeta Marriage Band. Best music director, Sri Beams for Razakar. Best male playback singer, Sri Sid Sriram for Uruperu Bhairavakona. Best female playback singer, Miss Shreya Ghoshal, Pushpa 2.